I pulled up the chart for IBIO for March 31st, Tuesday. There wasn't much range. If you were lucky, you got in at 104 and you sold at 110. But most people would have bought a support at 105 and 106, and there wasn't much upside after it sold off in the morning. So say we head into the rest of the day, the next week or so. No news. There's no catalyst. These are my initial points. We gotta break 110. It's the first one. It's gonna be a little heavy at 113, 117, 120, and 123. That's just the very short-term targets. But what I wanted to show you guys was, look at this. Look at the 30. So this spiked all the way up from 30 cents range, 3+, as many people will remember. As I look through this, it looks like it will be heavy past that at 140, 160, around 190. Also probably at 150 and $2, just because there's psychological breaks that always matter. What caught my eyes on this stock today was right here. They dropped this 13D March 19th. And I thought, wow, 28% for 37 million. That's big. So I loaded after hours. Further research, I see another 13D. Let's see. Over here. And look, it's the exact same amount of shares. Which is wild, because when I look back at this, look, this went from 30 to 3+, and they had the opportunity to sell 37 million shares. Unless they're bag holding real bad. It's pretty bullish in my perspective. Why would they want to sell? So you see right here, January 13th. This spike was 328 was February 28th. So that's interesting to me. So let's go back. Let's look at the 5-day here. The first thing I notice, clear downtrend, right? But we did see a spike over here on, what day was that? The 26th, Thursday. So since then, it's sold off and it's gone into a downtrend. But you see over here, we hit $1 a couple times. You can see more clear on the 10-day chart. See, it has hit $1 3 times and under once. But you see here, it bounced off $1, came all the way up to 164. It's a volatile son of a bitch. And if you look even further back, where this come, I missed the 30 cents to $3 move, but I did catch I think it was a 130 to 140 bounce, probably like a month ago. Let's see, I gotta go back to the daily. 20 days. Let's go. Fuck it. Let's go. 50. So it's this one right here. It bounced from 130 to 270. That's the only move I caught until now. And now I'm back in after hours at 107. And I'm looking for, like I went over those first points. On the downside though, I'm going to go over this offering in a minute. So I'm looking for probably at least, if it breaks that 110, I like 120 at least. If it pushes over there, I think it could easily go to that 140, 160 level. But on the downside, they did do an offering. Check this out, dated March 19, 2020. And this is a confusing one for me because it says $50 million. And then when you look for the price of the thing, It says accelerated floor price means 20 cents. Accelerated purchase price means with respect to an accelerated purchase made pursuant to the Section 2B, the lower of 97% of the VWAP of the period beginning at the 9:30 Eastern Time of the applicable accelerated purchase date. So they're not being upfront with the price. It's one of these confusing ones. So, but anyways, any offering is not good. I see people on StockTwits acting bullish on direct offerings. It's better than the other type of offerings, but it's still not a bullish sign.